So this is the master.
Okay, pocket doors, amazing. And we got some nice pool outside with jacuzzi.
Little fireplace, this is great.
Oh yeah, it's keeping it warm, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, this is warm. You see, this is made out of volcanic rock.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the tiles.
Check out this master.
Wow.
Those are doors to the backyard in the shower.
Oh wow, yeah, these showers, you don't see showers like this very often. You get showers with the glass door that goes outside right next to it. Pretty cool. How do you like that?
This is nice, it's beautiful. His and hers on either side, it's great.
Mm-hmm.
This is the master closet. This is huge. It's like the size of my first apartment a couple of decades ago.
Think it's big enough for his and hers?
Oh yeah, look at the chandeliers. I mean, some dining room tables don't even have it like this. It's nice.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go check out the rest of the place.
Yeah.
So you got some nice barbecue out there. Whew. How you like this sculpture of rocks?
That is great. Look at the balance on that thing.
Yeah. It's like optical illusion. Right?
Don't sneeze.
It's like a Zen garden or something. Wow, this is pretty different.
Bathroom? Nice.
Very nice. I think it also has the volcanic rock.
Oh, isn't this volcanic rock you said?
That's what we said, yeah. Oh wow, this is the
my
study.
goodness.
All right, top-notch home security. Okay, so taking all the business phone calls, you can come out here. See, while you're taking the calls, see while you're working here.
Yeah.
In this thing, you just come out here, and that's where you can sit and make
Do
close the deals. Yeah.
Do the deals.
Close some deals, you know. Here we have some pretty cool tiles. This is very different, dark. This is very like masculine kind
This
of
is probably volcanic
colors.
rock too.
Yeah, very dark, nice, very well done.
Yeah.
You know, very good taste. I like these dark doors.
Me too.
You know, the color scheme is very nice. Wow, it kind of works, you know.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is cool. Wow. Check out this.
That's great.
This is a nice big island.
This is great.
Huh. Big island.
Nice pantry.
For sure. This place is great for entertaining. Here. So, all the dishes. Look, you think this is big enough for the dishes?
Yeah, this is great. Another dishwasher right there.
You got a chef's kitchen. So, okay, wow, look at those double ovens. They got like two of them. Look, a double, an oven there.
Wow.
You got a microwave here. Wow, this is nice. Clocks.
Water purification system.
All right. Wow, very nice. Those must be the warming drawers. I think this is the refrigerator here. What do you think?
You're right.
And that's the freezer at the bottom. And this is also a refrigerator.
Nice big size refrigerator.
Two refrigerators. Yeah. Hey.
Wow.
Why have one if you can have two? And this We got the frosted glass. It's probably for privacy from the neighbors here.
Oh, okay.
And I like the skylight here. How you like this skylight? You like it?
It's beautiful. Gives you nice natural light.
Yeah. They got a waterfall feature here on the island. Once again, we've got very warm colors here with the grays and the dark browns and the black cabinets here, right?
Yep.
This is great for filling up the pots, right? Right?
Yep. Purified water.
Very nice. And then we got the entertainer's paradise out here, right?
Yep.
Okay, what is behind this thing? I would imagine the bathroom? Yep, bathroom. Okay, this makes sense because when you, after the swimming, this is where they're gonna take the showers.
Come through here.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, I like that big island there for the barbecues.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, let's check out the lower level. They got a piano, the living room there. Let's see what is over here. Okay, this is the okay. This is where they keep the ice. Cool. This is the
Oh, what
this
bar?
is the
Wine cooler.
The wine. And then what is the
Ooh.
what?
This is the dishes. Oh wow, two of each.
Okay. Yeah.
That's nice.
Well, you get your laundry done pretty quick. Why have one when you could have two?
Yeah, you never know. A lot of clothes to wash.
Sure. We are now entering the game room. All right. This is cool. Whoa. Oh wow, this
Little yoga room.
Woo. All right, nice. And they got a massage table there.
Got your bongo set if you wanna.
Yep. Andy Kaufman. Woo. What you got there? Oh wow. High tech. It's like the brain of the house.
Little closet.
That makes it a smart house. You can turn on all the lights at the same time.
Yeah.
Well, most of them anyway. Wow, that's a big door.
Oh, you want to open?
Does it? Yeah, you want to check it out?
Sure. Pretty gorgeous.
It's a nice outdoor patio area.
Yeah, like an outdoor seating area.
Yeah, you never get bored of places to sit outside here.
Look at these cool wall mural plants.
Yeah, they almost look like they're alive.
They are.
You sure? Maybe.
Yeah,
Never
I
know.
smell 'em.
Wow. Gotta water them, I guess, huh?
Another guest quarters with the private ensuite.
What is this?
Guest quarters.
Guest? Okay. Wow. Okay, nice closets. Very nice. Then they got the bathroom. Also very warm colors. Dark, rich colors here. They're very well done, very tastefully done. You don't see this very often. People are going more for lighter colors, more neutral colors. you have to be very careful when you go with the darker ones, but they've done it very tastefully.
Very, very, very well done.
And I like how the shower is sloping. You don't see the drain, it's hidden way back
Slanted.
there. Yep, just tucked in there.
That's nice.
Got a nice niche here. Very high ceilings up there. And then you got the black shower head. And there's cool. Wow. And this toilet,
Push buttons.
big flushing. Yeah, look at that. It's like a smart toilet, I guess. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom. It's very much like a, well, it's like a different kind of feel here. What do you think?
I like it. Feels very fresh.
Yeah?
Maybe it's the artwork.
Yep. Very nice. Nice. I like it.
Cool.
It's very, very different because you're on a lower level and you look out and you see a wall,
Yeah.
but then you see the lights up there, so it's just different. You know what I mean? Right? It's not very common to have this kind of, you know,
Yeah.
it's a different kind of vibe. I like it. Right? It's different.
Very
You
different.
don't see it. I like things that are very rare. This is not very common. This is for the certain kind of buyer.
Agreed.
Normally with a higher net worth
Probably someone, yeah.
and very good taste. Check, you must see the media room now. So here's where you can play pool. This is where you can play tic-tac-toe.
Oh, look at the movie theater.
All right, let's go check it out.
Screen.
Ooh. Oh wow, look how they did it. They got like a bar type of thing here where you can sit here.
Yeah.
See this? Whoa.
I like the screening room.
Mm-hmm. Big screen. How big do you think the thing is?
Probably like 200 inches.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Look how
so.
eclectic the designs are.
Yeah.
Actually great.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is very nice. Very nice. Got some nice speakers up there.
Yeah, it's probably like 10 feet actually.
Yeah, at least. Very nice.
Check that out.
Yes. So you got Elvis there. So what do you think?
I think it's beautiful. I went to school right down the street there. And
Really?
yeah, I remember.
Where'd you go? Beverly Hills High?
UCLA.
Okay.
And I'll never forget the good old days. One of my part-time jobs was doing ballet.
Oh yeah?
And during like award season with like the Oscars, Grammys, this was just popping off. And these homes, I mean, look around, they're gorgeous and they're kind of Well, how do I say? They float below the radar. They're just very discreet, which I think one of the best things about Beverly Hills probably is people prefer discretion when they live here. But yeah, no, it's beautiful.
Amazing. Well, guys, we thanks for watching, and we hope you all have an amazing day. Take
Be
care.
safe. Cheers.